Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. As you can see, this is a little sped up video where I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour flower. This is a 9x12 canvas. I'm using my acrylic paints mixed with Floetrol and extra water to thin them really thin. I also have off camera a little bit of dark blue that I've mixed together. There it is. I'm going to put down our base coat and blow out this paint and get a really kind of a pretty flower. But one of the petals on here looked to me like it had teeth. It was kind of menacing looking, and it kind of ruined the entire feeling of the flower for me. So I ended up flipping this canvas over and dipping it after adding a little bit of extra paint. That's the fun thing about being the artist, is you get to decide when it's done or when it's not done or when you want to change it. And this is just something I felt like changing, even though it was quite pretty to begin with. Anyways, I hope that you enjoy the video, have some fun. I hope that you're painting as well and creating beautiful art for yourself.